Hello guys, today we will make this machine and the rays emitting tutorial. This is also hard surface modeling tutorial, and we will learn how to create this machine and this effect of rays or beam emitting it. So I request you to stay till end and you will learn a lot. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe and also press the bell icon so you will notify. And now let's just start. So first of all, delete the default cube and add a plane, subdivide it, and half of the edge delete it, half of faces delete, and now extrude on the y and z axis like this, like a stair pattern, and you can see that. And now what we have to do, we have to just make edge loops here and do some extrusion, extrude some of the edges, and you can see that I will explain you along with. Now you have to make different patterns like this and make it some invert. Now shift D to duplicate the face, and you have to make a box like this and bevel it and extrude invert, duplicate it, and now you have to bevel these edges like this and make subdivision value to low, segment value to low, and now again make some different pattern on the different parts of the machine. You can make like this different patterns. You can also dissolve the middle edge there, and also shift D here to duplicate the face and extrude the upward, bevel it and make this pattern, and shift D to duplicate. Now it is look like this. Now you have to again do some more extrusions, something like this. And now what you can do, you can give it a more detailed look by adding more edge loops and extrusions. Now what you have to do, you can duplicate these parts of the machine and place it down there, make it 3 copies of it and place equal distance, place on equal distance on the surface. It is look like something this. And now you have to add a torus, make fill of the middle edge and extrude it, and again insertion and extrude and place on the surface. Also make it 3 copies of it and place it on this. Now you have to go to the options and enable ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space reflection, and color management. You have to pick high contrast value, very high contrast. And now you have to add the materials to it. Make 3 materials of it. One will be very dark, and the second one will be slightly lower dark, like a gray color, and the third will be the emission. I will pick here the blue color of emission. And now you have to assign the colors to different parts of the machine like this. You can pick any color and any parts which you like. We will pick these parts here and assigning them. And now assign the emission shader also to some of its parts like this, and so it will glow. And also you can give it another emission shader like white color. It is up to you which you want. Now this is it. Now you have to apply mirror modifier on it. So go to the modifier tabs, apply mirror modifier, and now you have to apply subdivision, make it simple, and now apply the array modifier on it, make count to 9, and now you have to apply simple deform modifier, make it on the blend mode and along the z axis, type the value 360, and this is our machine is ready. Now you can see that the machine is ready. Now we have to make the beam effect. So for that, select the circle here, go to the edit mode, extrude it and make edge loops on it. Now you have to add subdivision and wave modifier, and top there you have to change the origin point to affect only the origin, and then rotate the origin on x-axis by 90, and then you can just decrease the value of the wave modifier. And now applying material, first of all mix shader, and then transparent and emission, and then color ramp, and then you have to add noise texture and control T if you enable the node wrangler, and just make the value changes here, scale down to 2, and enable the clipping mode to alpha blend and the second one to none, so it will look like something this. You have to make 3 copies of it, so, and also you have to animate on the y-axis, so we will just add 2 keyframes, one value of 0 and the next keyframe on the end value to 100. Now just make duplicate of it and scale on the z-axis, make change of color to white, make another copy and give it to red color, give the dark value to more, and it will look like this. Now enable the unhide the machine, and this is our modeling is ready. Now you have to just render it with your render settings. I hope you will like the video, so do subscribe and also press the bell icon. Kindly share the video if you like the video, and thanks for watching.